Don't.
No, I'm teasing.
I've heard it said that people come into our lives for a reason, bringing something we must learn, and we are led to those who help us most to grow if we let them, and we help them in return. Well, I don't know if I believe that's true, but I know I'm who I am today because I knew you. Like a comet pulled from orbit as it passes the sun, like a seed drop, like a skybird in a distant world. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? But because I knew you, I have been changed for good. Well, it may be that we'll never meet again in this lifetime, so let me say before we part, so much of me is made of what I learned from you. You'll be with me like a handprint on my heart. And now whatever way our stories end, I know you have her in mind by being my friend. Like a ship blown from its mooring by the wind of the sea, like a seed dropped by a skybird in a distant world. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? But because I knew you, I have been changed for good. And just to clear the air, I ask forgiveness for the things I've done you blame me for. But then I guess we know there's blame to share, and none of it seems to matter anymore. Like a comet moving from its passing by the wind of the sea, that means a seed dropped by a bird in the world. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? I do believe I